Okay, it's 11 o'clock and I've just come out and the steps, there are no steps in the front here. I mean, I'm basically trying not to fall down as there are no defined steps. Everything's completely covered with snow. We've had quite a bit of thunder snow. I'm just opening up the gate, which is almost impossible to open. Okay, they're probably, I'm thinking 13 inches of snow on the ground right now. It's very difficult to walk. There's, believe it or not, still a couple of people driving and walking around, including me. This is the view down Damon and Division, and we're actually having a little bit of a lull in the winds. From when I was looking at out the window earlier, it seemed to be much windier than it is right now. So we're just having a little respite. And they actually said the winds were going to back off. That's down Haddon Street. But you can see things are fairly empty. There's an ambulance coming in the distance. It's probably about a block and a half away. I can't see it at all. And the snow is very, very heavy. Very, very heavy. And I'm going to head back in.